How's it going, guys? We recently bought this Seekone mini hot air gun. This is their HG350. We bought it to assist in our 3D print business. It helps get rid of all of the little webbing inside of it. You get two settings, so you have setting 1, setting 2. All it is just the speed of the fan. You have a hot point here. You have a little kickstand. And it does bring this attachment here, which you can put it onto the front of it here, and it'll allow you to solder some wires. Let me take it off before it gets too hot. As right now it is pretty warm. And as you can see, let's see, it allows all of the little wires to be melted off and produce a clean looking print. So all in all, it's a great price. It does have a cable. It plugs into the wall. You get about 4 feet of cable. It gets up to a max temperature of 842 degrees. It is dual temp. It's got high power, 350 watts. Overall, great product to have if you're just looking to tinker around the house. You don't need anything too serious or too powerful.